The 2018 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, backup camera, power liftgate, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.